Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the keyboard is connected and responsive. Test Tab, Enter, and arrow keys. Once done, enable accessibility features like sticky keys or mouse keys so modifier combos are easier. You should also identify your operating system's main modifier keys. On Windows, use the Windows key. On Mac OS, use Command. And on many Linux setups, use Alt or Meta. This prepares you to control, focus, and invoke system shortcuts without reaching for a mouse. Now focus on moving through windows and controls. Use Tab and Shift plus Tab to cycle focus, arrow keys to navigate lists, and Enter to activate buttons. To open programs quickly, press the Windows key then type, or use Command plus Space on Mac OS or Alt plus F2 on many Linux desktops. Once applications are open, switch between them using Alt plus Tab on Windows/Linux or Command plus Tab on Mac OS. If a menu is needed, press Alt or Control plus ESC to finally perform common tasks without a mouse. Select text with Shift plus arrows, expand selections with Control or Command modifiers, then copy and paste with Control or Command plus C and V. Save documents with Control or Command plus S, and close windows with Alt plus F4 on Windows/Linux or Command plus Q on Mac. If something stops working, make sure numlock and mouse keys settings aren't interfering, check keyboard layout, and reboot if necessary. This single troubleshooting step fixes most unexpected keyboard behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.